Hi guys, welcome to Sri Srinivasa Shorthand Institute. 100 words per minute dictation, 5 minutes duration. Start. Replying to the debate, the Minister for Law and Justice said, Respected Speaker and Honorable Members, today I would like to draw your attention to the introduction of a new bill aimed at regulating the functioning of the companies in the country. The salient features of the bill are as follows. As you are aware, with the opening of the economy and liberalizing the rules, a number of companies started coming up. These companies approached the public for subscription to the share capital. For one reason or the other, the stock markets were full of enthusiasm and it gave necessary fillip to the investors to park their savings in the capital of the companies. The public were expecting that these companies would be able to do well and achieve the objectives so that there would be a fair return for their capital. As some of the big companies showed positive results, there was no reason why the people should not aspire for good return. Going by the mood of the people, a large number of companies flooded the market with bright prospects. The investors immediately responded to such issues without properly judging the performance or the profile of the company in which they wanted to invest. The merchant bankers who were to provide information and guidance to the interested could not really rise to the occasion. They furnished only the same papers which the companies made available to them. The existing mechanism was not able to exercise any control over the companies as it was busy giving recognition to the multitude of companies with the result every issue that entered the market was oversubscribed by a number of times. After the companies collected the money of the public, they were not able to execute their plans properly and went into exile. The poor investors who were allotted shares were expecting that the companies would fare well, but surprises were in store for them after some time as these companies failed to respond to the investors. In the face of competition from the foreign companies, the Indian companies could not prosper as expected. Some of the companies have even made drastic changes to the articles of association and memorandum. The investors who are not aware of the fundamentals of the organizations have nobody to render assistance either with regard to their rights or the options available to them in case of deceit. There was large number of complaints from every corner of the country about such companies that vanished in the thin air, putting the hard earned money of the small investor at stake. As the complaints grew, the government has realized the need to establish a constitutional body vested with powers to even publish such bad companies. With this objective in view, the government introduced a bill for the establishment of Securities and Exchange Board of India with the chief objective of protecting the interests of the small investor. It checks each and every document on the functioning of the companies.